again. Welcome to another vloggy vlog as we are majestically cruising through the greatest place of all, Brooklyn, New York, Williamsburg, and we are on our way to sweet succulent Dumbo. Sweet succulent Dumbo. The big fat elephant. Oh, nope. It had to be one of those aborted maneuvers. Construction site coming up soon. Not much you can do. Sorry, sir. I'm gonna be really quick. Yeah, the dashboard. I'm such an ass. The plan was to do it when it's fucking shitty out and cold out, and now it's gorgeous. I just have to bite the bullet. I just have to bite the bullet and freaking do it. Gun it. Come on. Green, 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 green. Green. Give me green. There we go. Gorgeous. Oh man, the weather is here. It's almost time to go upstate. My knee's feeling good enough to ride a few miles, so I'm still gonna get an MRI. Good lord. Some heavy traffic over here, eh? Folks are really getting in there. It's the construction, man. These folks who are doing the construction, they keep causing traffic. Come on. Ah, damn, we're gonna get stuck right here. This is it. Ah, damn it. All right, well, we just wait. We just wait now. Heavy traffic, heavy traffic. So, yeah, I apologize. I know, like, the last fucking 50 vlogs were all basically this commute or like close around the city, in the city. It's time to take this baby back out to the streets, to the roads, to the paths where the road is open and you can actually go over 50 miles per hour for 30 seconds in a row. This is madness. All right, we're gonna have to be aggressive here if we're trying to make it anywhere. Right now, my freaking the time is increasing instead of decreasing. All right, come on. As soon as it's green or yellow, whatever. Come on. Gonna get here. This is as far as it's gonna get. 54. It's okay. I was watching Breaking Bad this morning, my little guilty pleasure. I'm a big fan of Breaking Bad. It's my first time rewatching it since the original viewing. Yeah, this is not the funnest. I'll be the first to admit. I'm like used to this commute. I'm used to splitting and being in the thick of traffic every morning. I could see how this is probably like bizarre to a lot of people. Oh, another thing, people constantly talk shit about the state of New York City roads, about like how bumpy they are, how beat up they are. But it's like, look at this traffic, bro. Look at this traffic. What do you expect, man? Do you expect the roads to be good with this much use? There we go. Come on, get in the highway and gun it. Be a man about it. Yes. Make up a little bit of time. By a little bit of time, I mean like 10 seconds. Oh, it's beautiful out. It's so nice out. It's literally a perfect day right now. And it's only gonna get warmer. I'm wearing my leather jacket still. I could probably get rid of it by now. Probably start wearing my other jacket. Alright, bro. I'm gonna get out of here. I gotta split. The space is not it. That was a cop. Not the smartest move on my part. Vicious traffic. And look at this guy. He doesn't even know what to do. He wants to pull off. Alright, we're gonna go to the left lane. It's time. What are we doing? Why is this happening? Alright, we're back. My gas light came on because I didn't fill up all the way. Why? Why did I always fill up all the way? Last time I put in like $8 of gas in there. Silly. Makes no sense at all. This guy from Pennsylvania is freaking scared. What are you doing, bro? There we are. That was a smart move. No speed cameras here, so we can go. Beautiful Dumbo. Super windy today, super windy. I like this exit here to the left. That's how you get on Manhattan Bridge, and it's a straight shot. It's actually super neat. Should go to Manhattan. It's so nice that my knee is kind of back. Something's obviously wrong with it, because getting cool. Yeah, man, beautiful Dumbo. My gorgeous stomping grounds. Oh boy. Take a left right here. Bumpy. Yeah, these streets are historical streets. Like, I mean, all this, yeah, it's fucked. But this is a fancy neighborhood, and look, I mean, look at all these buildings. They're all like fancy condo buildings. They're just rebuilding all this stuff, and believe me, before you know it, it's all going to be fancy, and the remnants of this neighborhood being a sketch ball will be all gone. Because I remember coming here to like illegal raves in like warehouses and freaking, yeah. It's one hell of a place. I mean, I can probably park right there or something, but I'm gonna find a different spot maybe. I mean, that's not a bad spot right here. Not a bad spot right there. That's a spot. Alright. Let's see if I can park in my spot right here. Oh, sorry dog. You can probably park right here. Yeah, we're good. Gorgeous. Looking good there, looking good here. There we go. Perfect. Serious lean. We're gonna have to find a little rock or stone or something. Oh, there's one right there. All right, boys and girls, well, thank you so much for watching as always, and I will talk to you soon. Bye bye.